Luxury isn't about spending more. It's about making smarter choices. That's what I deliver in ads. I use AI to transform your brand's vision into cinematic content that wins attention. My work is not just UGC. It's crafted to match the luxury of your brand. Premium quality doesn't need premium prices. I bring both elegance and efficiency. UGC ads that feel like cinema. That's my special signature. Authenticity sells, but when paired with elegance, it creates trust. This yacht is luxury, and I bring that same energy to your UGC ad content. AI isn't the future, it's the now, and I use it to craft unforgettable UGC ads. My clients trust me because I deliver precision, elegance, and results. Brands choose me because I give them more than ads. I give them presence. Real-time, fast delivery. Flawless execution. That's how I work. Your brand deserves content that looks as premium as this view. Work with me and watch your brand rise above the noise. You don't need Hollywood. You need smart storytelling, and that's my craft. My UGC ads don't just look good, they sell, and that's what matters. My UGC ads don't just look good, they sell, and that's what matters. Most creators follow trends. I design UGC ads that set trends. Relax. Your content is safe with me, crafted with elegance and precision. I'm not just creating UGC, I'm creating your brand's future presence. Let's build your next masterpiece together. Find me on Fiverr. Power Masood Karim, UGC Ads Creator.